Hey, good morning, team. Welcome to week 6 of talent management of OS 330. So this week we're going to start talking a little bit about employee law and litigation procedures. We're going to read, it's chapter 10 in Aquinas, and there's some readings in Multipliers in Liz Wyman's book. It's actually a pretty light week. We have one discussion board and one case study assignment. I really want you to spend some time on your final project because we're in week 6. So after this week, you have week 7 and that's it, and yeah. So we still have some missing assignments out there. Please get those in. Then now's a good time. Better late than never. May not get full credit, but you'll get some credit. No late discussion boards, like I've been saying every week. So let's see. We're going to be watching some a Daniel Pink video on what motivates us. I really like Daniel Pink, and I think it has a lot to say. Just think about this, right? We've been talking a lot about position descriptions and KSAs and what an employee is supposed to do. But what if that employee starts performing really well in another area because that's what motivates them? How do you stop the performance and say this isn't in your job description? However, they could be contributing greatly to the company. And what would be the ramifications of that? Would you kill the motivation of that employee? So for instance, if this employee is in HR and they're doing labor relations for HR, which means union disputes and stuff like that, but they can really write some good performance descriptions and they can really do some really good interviewing techniques, and that's really their forte, and that's really what motivates them. But that's not what they were hired for. So how do you approach that? And is there any legal ramifications when you say, okay, well, you can do this part of the job? How does that affect their performance evaluation? Because now they're not being evaluated on the job they were hired for. So these are things you need to think about. Also, if an employee wants to dispute their ratings, do they have union representation there for their dispute? So there's a lot, that's a whole other course in its own. And, Goodwin offers a course just on labor relations. But, okay, so these are things to think about. Like I said, we're just kind of breezing the surface on this one. But as always, if you have any questions, oh yeah, I'm going bike riding. You caught me before I'm going bike riding. Don't hesitate to ask. So far, it's been a great course. I've been very happy. And that's about it. Okay, Dave out.